If you like my content, please like and click on the subscribe button. Click on the drop down and select All to see regular updates.
Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel Data Sculptor. Today we are going to see another question, interesting one. So the question is, you have a table named customer ID, balance, date and amount. So there are two customers and they have their amount on this is the date. So what you need to do, so if you see the customer balance amount on 1st till 11th is 42.12, and from 12th to 17th is 56.23, and from 18th to 9th is 65, and from 10 to 10 is 17, and from 11 till the end it is 54. So what we need to do, this is, we need to consider this as the starting date, and we need to add another column called end date, and that end date should be the the next row's date minus 1. That means here it should be the end date, here it should be 11th, and here it should be 17th. So the next row minus 1. So hope you all understood the question. Let's see how to solve this. So select from balances, and here it is customer ID comma balance date as start date comma lead lead of balance date over partition by customer ID and order by balance date as end date comma amount. So here what we are doing, since we want the next day as item, next day as end day, so we need to use the lead function. Lead function will give you the next row's data, and how you want that data to be present. It should be for that particular set. The set should be considered based on the single customer ID, and the ordering should be based on the balance date. So that's why it is partition by customer ID and order by balance date. So now let's see what we are getting here. So yeah, if you see here 9, 12, 12, 18, 18, 10, and like this you are getting, right? But we want one day before. So what we'll have to do, so let's keep this in CTE with CTE as, and what we'll do, select from CTE, and here customer ID comma start date comma, since we want one day back, we need to add date add function. So date add function will add or subtract the required days. So first argument is the is day, because you want to add or subtract days, and second one is minus 1 because you want to subtract it. And what you want to do, to what date you want to do, to the end date. Okay, so end date as end date. So date add function, this is how we have to use the date add function. So now if you see, one date you got minused, but still the null is there. So instead of null, I want to add some other dummy column called I'll keep it December 1st. So 9999 slash 12 slash 31. So this is considered, we consider this as a end time. Whenever in string format, nulls you consider as blanks. So in date time format, blanks you consider this particular data as blank. Okay, so now let's see what we are getting. So this is how we consider the blanks. So now we have forgot one more thing called amount. So amount is also there. Now we have got all the columns. So yeah, this is how you get the end date and the start date from a balance table balance, which contains transactions or the data where the balance amount is as per that day. So hope you all understood the question. So here the main solution, the main idea of this solution is how to use the lead function properly and how to use the date add function properly. and the is null condition for date time. So if it's a date time, this is the blank value we need to replace it. We need to replace the null value with this particular value. So these three are the main important points I wanted to cover through this video. So if you are liking my content, please click on the like button and also click on the subscribe button to get more videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.